Like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel on YouTube Top Journey. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a realm of wisdom and wonder. Prepare to be captivated as I unravel the mysteries of life and share insights that will leave you enlightened. Get ready for a journey that combines knowledge, entertainment, and a touch of linguistic magic. So sit back, relax, and let the wisdom unfold before your very eyes. Welcome to a world where simplicity meets profound wisdom. Let's dive in. Alright, listen up, pal. I'll break it down for you like a wise guy. When it comes to swimming pools in South Florida, keeping them clean is as essential as breathing in that humid air. Let me tell ya, there ain't no excuse for a dirty pool down here, and I'll give you a couple of reasons why. First off, we got that blazing sun shining down on us almost every damn day. I'm talking about scorching temperatures that can fry an egg on the pavement. Now, what happens when you combine that heat with a pool full of stagnant water? You guessed it, my friend, bacteria, algae, and all sorts of nasty stuff start throwing a party in there. Ain't nobody wants to take a dip in a green, slimy mess. So, if you don't want to swim in a toxic swamp, you better keep that pool clean. Secondly, we got this thing called humidity. It's like the air is constantly sweating, and you know what thrives in moist environments? You got it, mold and mildew. Now, imagine a poolside covered in slimy patches of mold. Not the most appealing sight, is it? Plus, mold can mess with your health and turn your pool area into a breeding ground for all sorts of respiratory issues. So, if you want to breathe easy and keep your poolside looking sharp, cleanliness is the name of the game. Now, here's the kicker. You mentioned that pool guy hiked up his rates, and you realized you didn't need him. Well, let me tell ya, if you think you can handle the pool maintenance on your own, I won't stop ya. But let me remind you, it ain't as easy as sipping on a margarita by the water's edge. Keeping a pool clean requires a fine balance of chemicals, filtration, and regular maintenance. You gotta check those pH levels, add the right amount of chlorine, skim the surface for debris, and clean out them filters. It's a chore, my friend. And if you mess it up, you'll end up with a pool that's dirtier than the back alley of a shady joint. So, if you're up for the challenge, go ahead, save a few bucks, and take on the role of the pool guy yourself. But remember, it takes dedication, knowledge, and a sharp eye to keep that pool sparkling like a diamond. Don't come crying to me when you're swimming in a cesspool, begging for the pool guy to save the day. In the end, my wise advice is this: South Florida's got enough heat, humidity, and questionable characters walking around. Don't add a dirty pool to the mix. Keep it clean, hire a professional if you gotta, and enjoy your slice of paradise without worrying about swimming in a swamp. Capice?